Tim Conti here with Cloud Collaboration Consultants. So at this stage, you've received the comparison report, the PDF that details all the main unified communications providers that serve the market today. We've got 27 evaluation criteria that's included in there. So hopefully you got a lot of value from that report. Obviously before you pick up a phone and start calling the vendors directly or downloading a white paper and then your phone's going to light up like a Christmas tree, you can start with our free report evaluation. Hundreds of hours went into that report of expert level research. But the next step is to get specific to your situation. So what we've got for you is you schedule a 60-minute private consultation with me. I've worked in the unified communications market for 15 years. I've worked for these providers you're evaluating. I worked at 8x8, I worked at Avaya, I worked at ShoreTel. I was also a subject matter expert at CDW Corporation, where I help customers migrate from on-premise to cloud. We evaluated Cisco and Microsoft Teams and Zoom and some others. It is a crowded space, but we feel as though we give a ton of value in really cutting through the noise. So what we can do specifically for you here is run through what's called an opportunity criteria. We do this together on the phone via our 60-minute consultation. First and foremost, it does matter where your geographical footprint is based on where the provider's data centers are. Voice does not like latency, so you want to match up a provider that has the coverage that you guys are looking for. So we have the ability to make some selections there. If you want to reuse a phone, you've got the ability to do that here. Let's say you've got Cisco phones you want to try to reuse, we can select that, but we also support Polycom and others. As you know, everything happens at layer 7. So CRM integration is key, and we list all the different integrations with all the major CRM providers. This is going to save you a ton of time. If you want to integrate with productivity, let's say you're already invested in Teams and your company's made an investment in Teams, but you want a better Teams experience and someone that integrates there, we choose that. And let's say you want to match up and work with the Gartner leaders, you can check that box as well. And then we generate the matrix for you. And now what's different from the fixed matrix or the fixed comparison is now we rank these providers based on your specific criteria. Here are your criteria listed here. Here's how these providers rank. If they fulfill, then it shows up on here. The rest of the report is the same as what you had before, but it makes this much more custom. And then what we do here is we print to PDF and we then email this during our call. So while we're on the phone with you, we will email you over this specific matrix comparison that's very relevant and specific to you. That way, at the next stage, as we continue to down select providers to find the right fit for you based on your requirements, and we got the ability to do so. So that's what's next. If you want to schedule the call, click the link, schedule the call. You get a 60-minute call. We will run through this matrix comparison chart together. We'll send you the results, and then you have everything that you need to start to the next stage of your unified communications journey. So thanks for listening today, and we'll talk to you soon.